Hey there, Sean Bailey, and welcome to this video. Today we're going to talk about how to create an email marketing campaign. Now this is pretty awesome because I'm going to show you kind of inside how things work, and I think you're going to dig this. So let's jump into it and take a look. So here's all the steps that are involved as far as creating an email marketing campaign. So I'm going to actually show you one. We'll whip off one real quick here. But we'll go through each one of these steps here and just kind of explain it. So the main thing is that we need to fire up and use our email autoresponder to take care of this, because there's a lot of automation that's involved, and we kind of want this to just kind of take care of everything. Once we write those emails up, we want to just have it work over and over for us. So that's the next step, is to create your emails, whatever is going to be in your email marketing campaign. Now, it can be a little bit intimidating for some people to actually go and have to create these emails. Whether you create them or have them created for you, that just needs to be done. So the next step is, once you've got your emails, what you're going to send out, you need to choose the delay between emails. So are you going to send every day? Is it every other day? Is it once a week, once a month, 3 times? Set up and customize whatever the delay is and what the schedule is going to be for these emails. So the next step after that is to create a subject line that's going to get opened, right? Something that's going to, kind of arouse curiosity. Curiosity is a great one. The next one after that is just straight out benefit. Here's how to get some type of result that they're after. But when in doubt, try using something curiosity based, because you will probably get some good results from that. So after that, next is to customize that message, set up where your links and or pictures are going to be. I like to use pictures in emails. Sometimes I find I get a pretty good click-through rate when I do. And a tip on that is to make it look like some type of video, put like a play button on that picture, and people are going to be even more inclined to click on it and take action there. So the last step after you've created your email campaign is to essentially test and improve. And I'll show you some kind of nifty ways you can tweak and do some testing inside of your email marketing campaign. So before we jump in and actually go and build out that inside an autoresponder service, I just want to show you why this is so important for you. So here you can see I'm looking inside my Outlook. I got a notification from Stripe saying that a payment had gone through. So someone had come and actually someone had purchased one of my information products, and so I get a notification from it, right? So that's cool. Not to just show off the whopping $27 here, but the cool thing is, if we have a look, now this happened at 5:36 p.m. So let's go take a look over and see how this all worked and everything that was involved, because I didn't really have to do anything. But the nice thing is, when you have an email marketing campaign set up, it kind of does all of it for you. So let's take a quick look over inside my service. So here we can see this is over inside my autoresponder service. You can see, and it gives me this cool little activity timeline, so I can see everything that's happened with this. So we're going to kind of start at the end here. We can see this is the transaction that went down. So I'm going to zoom in over in the corner here where it says, and you can see 5:36 p.m. and I'll come back out. And you can see I'll just kind of walk you through it. So this person purchased, we see that the charge succeeded, it updated their lifetime value. Then we can have it start a custom workflow, which basically means a series of things that happens because this person became a customer, right? So maybe I want to send them a custom set of emails, a follow-up campaign that gets them to engage and consume the product and help reduce refund rate. Right, so this files all this information away and kind of does all this neat stuff for me after they purchase. But what I'm going to do is kind of skip down to the bottom here and show you everything that was involved to get to that point and why email marketing campaigns are so awesome. So you can see this person came over from YouTube, signed up, and joined my list. And once they did, then they got started with an email campaign from me here. So if we go and see, it actually took, went up here, and all these emails, all of this had to happen beforehand, because some people, it takes them a while before they actually convert and go and buy from you. So here you can see many emails, a lot of engagement went out, a lot of marketing automation, but all of it was done through emails and email campaigns that went out and converted this person into a customer. So that's how awesome, one of the great things about emails, email marketing, and setting up these automated campaigns here. So the nice thing is, you can usually just click on a button to start a whole new campaign inside your autoresponder service. So I'm just going to call this one test and tell it to create a campaign for me. And then the cool thing is it gives me the option I can go and I can just start from scratch and start typing away if I'm a good writer and I want to do all this from scratch, or I can just go in and use one of their blueprints. They have custom kind of pre-made templates that I can use. So I can just click on Browse Blueprints. So here we are inside the pre-made blueprint section. I can do if I want to do some type of mini course, some type of follow-up, if it was after a demonstration, after they received some type of free report, right? A subscription, a cart abandonment, lots of different templates inside here. So for this one, we'll just go with a post follow-up for a demo. And if I say use this blueprint, it's going to throw each one of these 4 emails into this campaign, and then I just go in and adjust after that. So it's super simple to do. I click on use this blueprint, and you can see everything's loaded in. So after that, I just have to go in and customize. That's where I would go in, insert any changes into the text, but it's going to have some pre-made stuff already. I'll go in and show you that in 1 sec here. But over here, you can see the delay between emails. So here's where we're going to go and set up our schedule. So the first one's going to go out immediately. Then it's going to wait 2 days. This one's going to come out 4 days after that, then 24 days. But if I wanted, I could have it just go as far as days, hours, and minutes, but I can set it up if I wanted to go with consecutive days. I would just change this to 1, this to 1, and this to 1, and then these would go out on 4 consecutive days. So super easy to configure to whatever schedule that you want. But if I go into the actual email itself, all I have to do is just click onto it, go in, and you can see these sections here, and I would just change this out, customize this. But now I've got a framework and I don't have to start from scratch and try and come up with an email, right? Way better when you're just filling in and customizing from an existing template here. You can see on the top bar here where if I want to insert an image or a link, all I have to do is just click the button, browse to the image that I want, and throw it into the email. Super simple. That's how we customize it. Now, as far as the campaign itself, if I go back and click into campaigns, I can click on the split tests, go in, and I just made a test one earlier here, but I'll come up with a new one. So if we go with a new split test, maybe we're just going to test subject lines. We want to try and get more opens, because once we open, we know that they're going to click and do stuff. So we can test subject lines, click on to next step here. Then all we have to do is just go find the campaign that we created. So here I've just found a test campaign, and the next step after that is to go in and just find the email that I want to test. So I would go in, find the email that I want to test, give it a new subject line, and boom, set up a split test. So super simple. So that's how you test and improve and get newer, better results from your email marketing campaign. So that's it. That's how to create an email marketing campaign and the cool, awesome results that you can get when you have an email marketing campaign set up and working for you. So thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to click like and subscribe and notify and all the little nifty things that are to click on. I'll have something come up in the corner here so you can click on that and check out some of the winning subject lines, some of the testing that I've done, and even more cool results that I got through email marketing. So thanks for watching this, and I will see you in the next video.